just finished. What's up, New Wave? How y'all doing? Release all the detailing. Finishing up a semi truck. Got another one, but I'm gonna show that one from the beginning. Finishing up the shaft. These are the details. Now working day on this cold day.